Hello friends, let's learn about list of values, unit 7, continuing to our course. So in this video we will learn about what is list of values and how it is being used in a universe design process, and how it can be useful for parameters and other things while developing universes. So list of values is a list that contains the data values associated with an object. So there will be an object that which we create in a business layer. So with that object value, we can assign to a particular list of value. So it will consist of a list. So this list of values we can use in a different ways. So it can allow users to choose values when creating a query filter or responding to a prompted query filter. So suppose we wanted to have a query filter, or we can just have a input prompt. So we can assign this LOV there just to get the list of values there, and user can select it there. So LOV is an independent component in the business layer or data foundation and is available to all the business objects in the business layer. So it is an independent component. It can be associated with any object at any time. So we can associate that with any object. So there are different types of LOVs and how we can create it. So the three types of LOVs. First is list of values based on business objects, business layer objects. So it is just associating of the to other business objects. Then the second one is a static list of values, which is based on providing some hard-coded values there in a static as a static list. And the third one is LOV based on a custom SQL. Means we can create a SQL. Like suppose we can combine, take a two column from one table, and we can just combine in it in a simple LOV. So that is these are the three types of LOVs, and these are the different options when we there is one section LOVs, a list of values, in the business layer section, where if you click on this plus icon, it will show these three values which we wanted to create. So based on our requirement, we can select it there. I'll be showing this you practically in next video. LOVis option means when we create it, so what are all other options means it can allow users to edit LOVs. Means we can edit the LOVs. We can automatically refresh before use. It can be automatically refresh. We can force users to filter values before use, and allow users to search values in the database. It can be we can set a query execution timeout for the LOVs, and a max of number of rows. Means we can set how many rows we wanted to set for that particular LOV. So when we create this static list of values, means we have these options. Means what all we can see means, and what properties are there for column. So name will be this LOV name. So we can specify there, and properties, if you see, there are four properties: column name, key column, data type, and hidden. So column is whatever the column we can specify. This is a hard coded value that we can specify. Key column is a primary key or foreign key, means which we wanted to select. Means sorry, this is for index awareness things, means to speed up the data performance, so that we can set it here. Data type, it may be string, means numeric, or short, like that. And hidden, so if you want to make it a hidden, means we don't want to use show this to users, then we can make it as a hidden by selecting it. Okay, so then business objects associated with LOVs, means LOVs can be associated with the business objects. So means we will see this practically. Means it can when these LOVs are available in the business layer, the LOV is on the first list, on the list of the parameters and a list of values tab of the business layer editor. Okay, so that's it about LOVs. We will be means checking this practically. Let's understand whatever we have covered. So the first question is, an LOV can be edited in the business layer. Is it true or false? A static list of values cannot be based on the values that are imported from file. And why do you associate LOV to business objects? So the first thing is, means we cannot edit LOV in the business layer. It's false. Means we cannot edit. A static list of values cannot be based on the values that are imported from file. So this is true means we just need to enter it manually. We cannot import it from file. And why do I associated a LOV to business objects? So we associate LOV to a business objects to restrict possible input values when the objects is used as a filter in the query panel. So basically for filtration or data restriction, you can use LOV. So that's all about this LOVis. I hope you have understood this. If you have any questions, then please put it in the comment section. If you like my video, then please like it. Please subscribe to my channel as well so that you will get to know about my next unit video. Thank you for watching.